Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how much do creators get from a Galaxy gift on TikTok. So it's important to note that not all of that money will go to the creator. So when a creator receives a gift, it is converted into diamonds and it can be exchanged for real money. So TikTok basically takes a substantial 50% commission. So creators typically earn between £7 and £8 from a Galaxy gift that costs the users about £15 to give. So creators can cash out after reaching a minimum of $100 or pounds with a weekly withdrawal limit of £1,000 and a maximum monthly withdrawal of £4,000. So there you go guys, that is how much a creator gets for a Galaxy gift on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.